Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a back to top button on your Google sites. So let's say that you want to make things easier for your site's visitor by creating a back to top button at the very end of your Google sites. You can do that by following these easy and simple steps. Now, we are not able to create a button directly, but we're going to do these steps in order to be able to create an illusions of a back to top button. So first things first, you want to go to these page sections right here, and then you're going to click on this plus sign, and you're going to want to create a new page. Now, just to make things easier, I'm going to name my new page as BTT button, and it stands for back to top. And I'm going to go ahead and click on done. And here you can go ahead and double click on wherever on your page, and you're going to create a text. And on the text sections right here, I'm going to type in back to top. I'm not going to say button, so I'm just going to go ahead and create this back to top like so. Then I'm going to change the alignment, so I want it to be in the middle. You don't have to do exactly as how I do it. You can just arrange the alignment or the size according to how you want it to be. And I want this to be bold, so I want to make it bolder. And I think I'm going to change the font as well. Let's try bitter. It looks pretty nice, and it still fit into the rest of my font. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and highlight this button and click on insert link. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect this to the page where we want this text bring your visitor to, and in my case it's going to be home. And I'm hoping for them to bring my visitor into the very top of my home page. And the reason why we need to do it on another page is because if you're going to do it on the same page, it's not going to bring you to the very top. It's just going to let you stay at that page. So next, we're going to go ahead and copy this. And then we're going to go to our home right here, scroll all the way down, and this is currently the very bottom of my home page. And then I'm going to go ahead and double click again here, click on text, and I'm going to paste our text like so. Now once we got it copied over here, we're going to go ahead and delete this page so that it's not going to be visible on our website. So we're going to go ahead and click on publish now, and they're going to give us the changes that we have made. And all we have to do is click on publish, and now let's check whether the button is working or not. So here I got my site ready, and then I'm going to scroll all the way down until I found this back to top button. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, now I'm back to the very top of my home page. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a back to top button on your Google sites. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.